channel. This is Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I do wig reviews, wig related content, and I do a little bit of makeup and discount makeup finds type videos. In this video, we're doing a 3 looks 1 palette with the ColourPop Honey palette. Normally I don't do an intro for these types of videos. And this is the very last look that you're gonna see. The reason that I did was I will put the original Honey palette up. This is the one that I used in the very last part of the video. The first 2 are from the way that it came, and then this one is where I switched. There was I think it was called Palooza. I'm not positive if that was the one. Yeah, Palooza. There was a loose glitter in this, which I'm not necessarily like crazy about loose glitters. Like, I'll try to use them, but they're not eye safe and they can be very problematic, and it was like crumbling in the palette, so I did switch out a darker shade in here. So this is not how it comes. The first 2 looks I did with how it comes, and then the last look I did with how I switched it up. And the only reason that even happened was because for some reason I lost the clips to the final look where it was the way the palette originally came, but I still wanted to get this video up. And so I think it's kind of cool to see. These are magnetic, and if you have a lot of ColourPop shadows, you can switch them out and sort of mix and match and customize these. So you're seeing sort of both. So this is what it's this is what it looks like for the 3rd look. I love these palettes. You'll see a bunch coming up with these monochromatic palettes. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. And let's get to the 3 looks, because that's what you're here for. Bye!
Make up your own rules as you go. Stay only true to what you know and who you are. And who you are. The road may be rough, you might not see the top, but winners don't quit and winners don't stop. The leaf may look large, you might think that you'll fall, but winners aren't born, winners work hard. They work hard. You can't win if you don't play. The game might be dirty, but it's okay. You can't win if you don't play. You can't win if you don't play. The game might be dirty, but it's okay. You can't win if you don't play. So you better play the game. Make up your own rules as you go. Stay only true to what you know and who you are. And who you are. The road may be rough, you might not see the top, but winners don't quit and winners don't stop. fall.